Okay, it's about 11:30. Nice long chat with the two bikers that passed me earlier. It's on neutral. Over there. It's closed, didn't open anything. Bit of water. Nice and warm. Alright, maybe this is the exact top, but no viewpoint really, of course. Net 4 maak en bietjie braai, julle. Middelburg Pass, here we go. I'm at the top point, Middelburg Pass, and we're heading down. Oh, it's going to be a snaky little snaky thing heading down. Again, I'm just I think I'm going to keep it in first gear, so the compression's on the back tyre. If you go into second, that's what happened to me, you know, when I took that tumble at Springbok. I was in second, sort of free, well, you know, just letting it run in second, but it was too fast. These oaks must come past me.
Nice one.
Thank you.
Are you starting or are you finishing?
Starting, I think, because I came from Joburg, Botswana, Namibia, so I'm going to be in Cape Town for a month or so, and then
you go north again.
and then I'm heading off.
And
Yeah.
are those panniers working out for you?
It's look, it's my whole life, eh? Because I don't. This is me in my life, my office, everything. So, but it's working. I mean, I did Joburg, the whole thing to here.
So you don't like fall over it?
No, it's very steady, eh? Look, it's heavy. I'm carrying a lot, but
Yeah.
I did. You know, it's like,
A lot of wind resistance, but you go slow. That's
yeah, I go 100, 110.
not bad.
Yeah, no, easy, eh? Just take it slow, no sweat.
Yes, well done.
Thanks, pal.
You are an inspiration.
Thank you, man. Take it easy. I'm still filming. There was a guy I passed, and then so I think he probably assumed I was going to go faster, but duh, I'm not. Okay, this is fairly nice. So there must be an interesting little place. They were up on the right there as I came past. There's a little farm road up to the right. Gee, look, a gravel road like this, no problem, you know, it's comfortable. You know, easy. Well, easier, much easier. Buffalo spot. Well, maybe buffalo spot goes to a quarry. It's steep, eh? Hope you're watching the whole thing through, Richie Rich. They're corrugations, but it seems like corrugations going downhill are not as... Maybe the dunk is on your front wheel, which takes it easier, and the back one is just kind of rolling over them in a way. It's not powering your way over them. Oh! GoPro. Oh, shut up, man. Ah, man, what are you doing? Just like an N2 here, man. Let's just keep it slow, keep it slow, keep it slow. I've got this stupid... Keep it slow. Rocks. This thing for my wrist on the accelerator, which takes the strain off your wrist, but it's now facing the wrong direction, so it's easy just to go to, you know, I've got to bend my wrist the wrong way to, anyway, I must just maybe change its so sort of downhill into rocks is less pleasant than uphill over rocks. Uphill, you know, the front is a bit lighter. You know, it's I don't know, the geometry is different. When you're going down, the force, you know, the force is down onto the front wheel a bit. So a rock that throws your wheel out, in my mind anyway, can do have more negative impact. So I'm seeing I could do the old Kloof Pass. It just means when I come out at series, I got to hang a west and go to Worcester, sort of, and then come back from that side. But I think I might just call it a day. You know, I'm going to do series Kloof, nice easy tar pass. Kloof, I'll see how I feel, then cut back into Franschhoek, over Franschhoek Pass, and then over Salaris into Cape Town. That might be the, I think that might be the entrance. And that won't be bad. I mean, it'll be Middelburg Pass, it'll be Kloof 2, Franschhoek Pass 3, Salaris, 4 passes as I roll into Cape Town. I don't know if you saw that, 80 k's to Prince Alfred. Oh, stone knocking the wheel funny. 80 k's to PAH, Prince Alfred Hamlet. Guessing we're going to find tar soon. Mooi gedooi. A little country cottage.